Guided Meditation, and our topic is Live Life to the Fullest and Focus on the Positive. We thank you for gifting ourselves these next few minutes. It's important to remember that you are a priority and allowing yourself even just a few short minutes of intentional reflection can really have a positive impact on the rest of your day. So let's use these next few minutes to come back to the center and set an intention for rest of your day. Move into a comfortable position and gently close your eyes and shift all your attention onto your breathing, taking slower, deeper breath than you are taking all day so far. What is the true meaning or purpose of life? The true purpose is about recognizing your own gift and using them to contribute to the world, whether those gifts are playing beautiful music for others to enjoy, helping friends solve problems, or simply bringing more joy into the life of those around you.
How to overcome the challenges of life. To overcome life challenges, we cultivate a positive mindset and resilience. We can break problems into manageable goals to make them less overwhelming. Seek support from friends or professionals to gain different perspectives. Prioritize self care through exercise, healthy eating, and rest to maintain your well being. Practice coping strategies like mindfulness or journaling to process emotions. Stay adaptable, embrace change, and adjust your plan as needed. Remember, setbacks can offer valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. By applying these strategies, you can effectively navigate life's difficulties and emerge stronger.
Enjoying life to the fullest. Enjoying life means being aware of the present moment
and try to experience all of the things that make us happy to the fullest extent. Enjoying life means periodically slowing down and putting what we have to do and where we have to go on phrase, pause, and just be. When we are so invested in the hustle and bustle of life, it can be hard to listen joy as a top priority. Hopefully, these quotes below provide you with some insight as to why enjoyment shouldn't just a temporary phase of life, but a necessity you seek to experience daily. Life is a big canvas. Throw all the paint you can on it. If you obey all the rules, you will miss all the fun.
कोई भी चीज़ शत्रु हमारा उतना नुकसान नहीं करता जितने हमारे नकारात्मक विचार करते हैं। अर्थात निगेटिव थॉट हमें छोड़ने पड़ेंगे। सुख शांति पाने के लिए विचारों को सकारात्मक पॉजिटिव बनाएं। सकारात्मक पर ध्यान केंद्रित करना एक महत्वपूर्ण मानसिक स्थिति है जो हमें जीवन में खुशी संतुष्टि की ओर ले जाती है। सबसे पहले हमें अपने आसपास की छोटी छोटी अच्छी चीज़ों को नोटिस करना चाहिए, उसे देखना चाहिए। जैसे सुबह की ताज़ी हवा, किसी की मुस्कान या कोई छोटा काम जो सफल हुआ हो, ये सभी चीज़ें हमें सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोण रखने में मदद करती हैं। दूसरा, हमें अपने विचारों को नियंत्रित करना ज़रूरी है। सेल्फ कंट्रोल इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर अस। नकारात्मक सोच से बचने के लिए हमें खुद से सकारात्मक बातें करना चाहिए। मैं कर सकती हूँ, मैं कर सकता हूँ, सब अच्छा होगा जैसे विचार आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाते हैं। ध्यान और योग भी मन को शांत रखने और सकारात्मक पर ध्यान केंद्रित करने के बेहतरीन तरीके हैं। हमें उन लोगों के साथ समय बिताना चाहिए जो हमें प्रेरित करते हैं और उत्साह बढ़ाते हैं। सकारात्मक लोगों के साथ रहकर हम खुद को भी सकारात्मक बनाए रख सकते हैं। हमें हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोचना चाहिए। जैसा हम सोचते हैं वैसा ही होता है। नाउ चिल्ड्रन, ready for the universal prayer. God our friend, Mother and Father,
May you be praised in the diversity of names and forms by the whole universe. May we experience a world guided by values
of justice, fraternity, equality, freedom, peace, hope, and love. May your will be the motive force of all our dreams and actions. Give us our daily food for body, mind, and soul. Strengthen us to forget and forgive without counting the cost. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who offended us in the past. Bless all those who offend us now with your peace. Strengthen us to always to stand for truth without fear and walk in the path of light with hope, trust, optimism, and creativity. protect us from all evil forces, and liberate us from hatred, despair, and depression. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Peace, peace, peace. Students, now slowly bring your awareness back to where you are and thank yourself for taking few minutes to just be attention and kind yourself. And when you are ready, just gently open your eyes and enjoy rest of your day. Thank you.